What kind of ice cream are you going to be getting today? What flavour?
Mint chocolate.
We go get some fish and chips. What are we doing today?
To find some dinosaurs.
We're going to find some fossils, aren't we?
Yeah.
It looks like a fossil. You think it's a fossil?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Come on. Whoa.